In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change miles per hour to kilometers per hour in the Crew 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily customize the unit that you are using in the Crew 2. All that you have to do is from the main menu of the game, go over to Options, and when you go over to the main category, Game Settings, you will be able to find Unit. So below the language options, you will be able to find unit, and you can change it between imperial and metric. So all that you have to do is make sure that you are selecting the metric unit. As soon as you select it here, you don't even have to apply the changes. They should automatically change as soon as you select it. And now you will be able to go back and start playing. Every single unit displayed inside of the game will now use kilometers per hour instead of miles. And of course, this is going to apply for everything else besides just the standard speed meters. So keep that in mind. You will be able to change everything, and you can always change it back if you are unsatisfied with the option. You will be able to change between imperial and metric at your own will. And this is going to work for any platform. So I am doing this on PC, but even if you do it on consoles, you will still be able to change the unit of measurement. Just go over to the options, select game settings, and any measurement that appears in the game will be changed. So I'll try to get an example on the screen. But even if I don't, as soon as you go into a pre-existing save, you will be able to see it. So access the game options before starting on the main menu, and the changes will be applied. You don't have to repeat this every single time that you open the Crew 2. As soon as you change it once, it is going to remain like that, and you will be able to see the new metric measurements across the Crew 2. I hope I was able to help you on how to change miles per hour to kilometers per hour in the Crew 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.